What is up, YouTube? This is Noly here from the Nolyverse, and today we're going to be doing some art. So as I said, this week we're not going to be picking up any silver, just doing art this week. So don't really have anything planned, just going to get to it. I got some new colors, so I just want to test them out, see how they look, and you guys will be the judge of it, so stay tuned. Remember to hit the like button, and if you hate the painting by the end of it, then unhit it, you know. So the likes help me a lot. It helps me reach a larger audience, trying to get my paintings out there, you know, and develop a name for myself in the art world, however it may be. But as I said, we're gonna get to it, so stay tuned. Let's do it. So yeah, very happy with how this turned out. I did a little foreground landscape here. Got the trees in the background, some body of water in between the two bodies of land, and you got, you know, some nice mountain peaks up there. You got the sun setting, a star glistening out behind this planet. This planet just looking good. And yeah, I apologize, I don't know how it's going to turn out when I edit this, but I do see a lot of sun glare on the canvas, so I do apologize for that if there is sun glare in the video. However, I still hope you guys can make it out. I hope it looks good. I hope you guys like the painting. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this painting, it will be available for sale on my eBay, along with many others. I think I have about 130 listings. I do want to note, if you are going to order from my eBay, please check your address before you click confirm purchase. I had an issue last week with some dude bought a painting. I sent it to him, and as soon as it arrived at the address, he's claiming it's the wrong address. He moved 5 years ago. I don't know what to do about that, you know what I mean? So it ended up being, from what I think, is a scammer. So I reported the dude because it was delivered to the address that was printed out on the printing label. As an eBay seller, I do not have any way to create an address, you know what I mean? So the address I print out, you know, and he said it was his old address. So, you know, on him for not checking. So I do want to remind you guys, just check your address. Make sure you're shipping it to the right place, the right person. If it's a gift for someone, you know, I don't really insure these packages. I expect USPS to do the job for me. However, even as a former employee for USPS, I know it's not always the case. You can't trust people in this world. So just make sure you're checking everything if you purchase a painting. I think I'm going to start listing them without shipping. Like, I'll pay for the shipping, but that's just going to increase the fixed price. So you guys will see the whole price, and I'll just worry about the shipping for you guys. So that's today's painting, these peaks. And in case you guys were curious, this was last week's painting, and a painting I did in the middle of the week this week. So the Blue Comet. But just a little showcase real quick before we end the video. Again, this is today's painting. Excuse me for walking around. But I hope you guys like it. Please hit that like button if you do, and stay tuned for more. Till next time, this is Noly from the Nolyverse. Have a great one, guys.